This question is asking us to state the coordinates of the points on the graph. So first we want to look at point A. So in looking at the coordinates for point A, if I go along the x-axis, we go to point 1, 2, 3 for the x-coordinate, and then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the y-coordinate. So the coordinates for this point A will be 3, 5. So you'll open up parentheses, type the number 3, comma, type 5, 5, parentheses, check the answer. It's correct. Now let's look at point B. If I go in the x direction or along the x-axis, we see we're going in the negative direction. So we go to -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, and then we go down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So the coordinate for B is -5, -6. So to type your answer, you'll open a parentheses and you'll type -5, comma, -6, close the parentheses, and check your answer. Okay, let's look at point number C. Now for C, C lies right on the x-axis. And when a point lies on the x-axis, it's called an x-intercept. And when we have an x-intercept, the coordinates will be, in this case, -3 for the x-coordinate, and the y-coordinate will always be 0. So the coordinate for point C is going to be -3, 0. -3, comma, 0, close parentheses. Okay, let's look at point number D. We go along the x-axis in the positive direction. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then we go in the negative y direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the coordinate point for D is going to be 3, -5. Three, comma, -5. Okay, now we have to identify what E is. We're going to go in the negative x direction, so we go to -1, -2, -3, -4. In the positive y direction, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the coordinate points for letter E will be -4, +5. That was -4, comma, +5. Okay, now let's go to the next point, F. Now F lies on the y-axis, so it's going to be called a y-intercept. Also, the x-coordinate for this point will be 0, and in this case, the y-coordinate will be -3. So the point here is 0, -3. 0, comma, -3. Okay.